Greetings YouTube, this is Phoenicorn from Art Graphics Hub. Hope you're doing well. Are you looking to find an art style to match your personality, but don't know where to begin? Join me and we will explore the best way to discover your personal art style. I feel I should say that your art style will develop over time and may even change, so don't get too worried if you've not found your personal art style just yet. Also, art styles can actually harm your artistic growth. Choosing a more abstract art style without an appreciation of art fundamentals may look pretty for the short term, but you'll be constantly developing bad habits that might be hard to break in the future. So before you get started on looking for an art style, I'd make sure you have at least some knowledge or an appreciation of anatomy, values, which is basically shading and how light interacts with other surfaces, colour, perspective and composition. You don't need to be an expert, but you'd be surprised how useful a basic understanding of art fundamentals are. So how do you find your art style? First, I would ask yourself, what kind of art do you like? I myself am heavily influenced by cartoons and anime. I love big, bold and contrasting colours and very blocky shading. You might like cubist work of Picasso, so why not try an experiment? This is your time to enjoy. Another thing you may want to ask yourself is, what do you actually like to draw? There's two things I personally love drawing: gesture drawings, little stick figures, usually drawn in a few minutes, and I also love drawing portraits. If you're drawing for fun, focus on drawing what you actually like. I'd also recommend surrounding yourself with different art styles. This doesn't have to be paintings, it could be cartoons, book illustrations, even textures on a wall. With camera phones, it might be an idea to take pictures of anything you feel might inspire you down the line. My final bit of advice is to be open to change. Art styles aren't necessarily static, and you shouldn't feel pressured to find an art style straight away. Take your time, explore your favourite types of art, and learn to explore yourself. This will be better for your artwork in the long run. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to like and subscribe, as this really does help the channel grow. If you hit the bell icon, you will be notified when I publish a new video. I try to aim for 2 per week. There's also featured videos on the right, and if you have any recommendations or comments about future possible videos, I'd love to read about them. I do try and read every single comment that is left below, so be sure to leave a comment. I've been Phoenicorn for Art Graphics Hub. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.